GarageBand for iOS's touch instruments allow you to recreate the expressive tone and personality of a number of instruments you might not otherwise have access to. The way you interact with these touch instruments will change depending on which one is currently selected. You'll be playing on a virtual guitar fretboard for the various guitar touch instruments, for example. But what if you'd rather trigger the notes of different touch instruments using a more traditional keyboard layout? In this quick tip, I'll show you how. Okay, this one is really simple. In GarageBand for iOS's sound browser, you'll want to completely ignore the touch instrument whose sound you want to recreate. Instead, navigate to the keyboard touch instrument. Tap on the More icon in the bottom right of the keyboard icon to open this menu. From here, scroll down to Other. In this menu, you'll find all of GarageBand for iOS's available touch instruments. Only when you select one, it will open in keyboard format instead of that particular instrument's usual interface. This allows you to do some things that you aren't able to do in these instruments' normal interface layouts, like add an arpeggiator, for example. That'll about do it for this quick tip. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Bye for now.